12 days in a straight line. The vertical line on the 10th day is meeting this horizontal line at this dot, indicating about 3 hours and 40 minutes. So, the children must have spent about 3 hours and 40 minutes on the 10th day on the phone.
How much time did the children spend on the phone between the 5th day and the 8th day?
To find the answer to this uncle's question, first we have to approximate the time spent on the phone by the children on the 5th day. In this way, we can approximate it by connecting the dots of the 4th and 8th days with a straight line and then making a vertical line from the 5th day. The vertical line of the 5th day is meeting this line. In this way, the time spent on the phone by children between the 5th day and the 8th day has been reduced by 30 minutes. Uncle is very happy that the children have now spent much less time on the phone and have started spending more time in other sports and studies. As promised to the children, Uncle took the children on a trip, seeing that the time spent on the phone has reduced. Children, in this video we learned more about approximation by some interesting examples.
I will present my PowerPoint. Okay, shall I share? Can you see the screen? Now we will see the smart chart. Question and answer we will discuss. Smart chart. Actually, how to write the tally marks in symbols. Yamini did a project animals and birds. She asked each child to her class about one favorite animal, pet animal. She used tally marks. Tally mark is nothing, putting the line, this is 1 tally mark, 2 tally mark, 3 and 4. Olden days we were using the tally mark like that. When it comes to 5, we cross it like this. But nowadays the textbook says that for 1 we must use it like this. For 2 tally mark you put like this. For mentioning number 3 you put 4 complete square. 5 diagonally you have to join. This means 5. To represent the data we use the tally mark. So tally mark help us to find the number of animals available. That is actually we are using. For one line, one vertical line in front of the cat. When someone set cat again, she added another line, that is 1 and another line 2. It means 2 cats. Then 5 means 1 complete square and diagonally you have to join, it means 5. In all 24 children in the class set, cat was their favorite because you see 24 numbers are there. But a dog, you see how many numbers are there? 1, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 31, 32. 32 children set, dog is their favorite animal. Rabbits, somebody said 5, 5. 5, another 5 tally mark, 5 plus 5, 10. Cow, some students in the class said 5, 10, 15, 20, 21, 22. Here you see 22. Like that, parrots, only 8 children said their favorite animal is parrot. Goats, nearly 20 children said. Squirrel, nearly 15 children said. Total number of children said that nearly 131. They set their favorite animals. Look at the tally mark. write the number for each animal. We have written each animal, how many numbers are there, cats how many, dogs how many, rabbits how many. These are the data collected from the classroom. Okay, Yamini did the project about animals and birds. She asked each child of her class. So Yamini is a class teacher. So she asked the children about their favorite animal. They said this one. Then she made a tabular column. This is a tabular column. She made it. In that tabular column, in the middle, she marked tally marks. The exam and all, they can ask you to represent number 22. How you will represent in tally mark? For representing 22, how we can put tally mark? How many complete square we have to put? One complete square is 5. Okay, 2 for 10.
So 4 complete squares.
4 complete squares and how many or L? Just like
So
2 lines. 1 line, 2 line. 1 horizontal line, 1 vertical line. So this means 22. They will ask you to represent any number into tally mark. Sometimes they will give the tally mark. You have to write the number like this. For example, parrots. What number it represent? 1 complete is 5. This is 1, 2, 3. 5 plus 3, 8. Okay. So parrots is 8. So like that they can ask you the question. Only 2 questions they can ask. One, they will give the tally mark, ask you to write the number. Another one, they will give the number and ask you to represent in tally marks. Okay, these 2 questions are possible in this first exercise. Okay, children. Next one, making Neelu Jodis, can you read? Neelu?
yes, sir.
Yes.
Making tally marks on the road. Sumita stood on the road for half an hour and counted the number of vehicles passing by. She made a tally mark for each vehicle. This helped her in counting quickly the total number of vehicles in each group.
Okay, where she was standing in the traffic signal. Okay, the Sumita was standing in the signal. She was started counting. Okay, how many buses are crossing on the road, how many trucks are crossing, how many two-wheelers are there, how many auto rickshaws are there. She made a tabular column. She made the column like this. When a bus crossed, she put the tally mark 1. For example, bus here. She made a one bus or one car she made. Here she put the tally mark. Here she put the tally mark. Then number of vehicles. At last she counted and write. One bus, if it crosses, she put 1. Suppose 2 buses, another bus, or after 5 minutes the second bus crosses, she put the 2, 3, like that. Then cycle also. She made the cycle. How many cycles are crossing on the road? How many motorbikes are crossing? She made the table. And the third, after completing the table, how many vehicles crossed within that half an hour. Time is half an hour. Half an hour may how many vehicles passed away, passed by. She was counting on the road. She was standing on the road. She recorded on the tabular column. Here you see cycle. She put the tally mark 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 26, 27, 28. Nearly 28 cycle within that half an hour passed on the road. Car 5 plus 5, 10, 10, 11, 12. 12 cars passed away. Auto rickshaw. How many auto rickshaws? 5, 10, 15, 51, 15, 16, 17, 18. 18 vehicle. Auto rickshaw, bus. Nearly 15 buses. Then cycle rickshaw. 24 cycle rickshaw passed. Then truck. How many truck? 5 plus 1, 6. So totally, how many vehicles crossed on the road within that half an hour? Half an hour duration. 103. Okay. So we can complete the table. Why this table she made? Can you give idea why she made the table?
To identify how many vehicles.
To identify exactly how many number. Otherwise, what will happen? C will count one vehicle, in the immediately another vehicle will pass through the road. So C cannot count exact number of vehicle passing on the way. So this tally marks and this table. Tally mark helping her to find the number of vehicle crossing the road on a particular time. Okay, that was the project she made when she was standing on the roadside. Okay, so these are the data. So smart chart na enna artham? What is the meaning of the smart chart? Collecting the data and made it in the chart form. Okay, and made it in the tally marks and using the chart. That is actually called a smart chart. That is what this lesson name is, smart chart. Smart chart is helping us to tell the exact number of vehicles passing in the particular day or particular hours. Okay, quickly and easily also we can find the number of vehicles. If the traffic man, you can find that sometimes he will count the vehicles, how many are passing, why this area is very crowded in the particular peak hours. Okay, you can find that small diary in the traffic policeman who is standing on the roadside. He will make the note what are the possible vehicles are crossing in the particular time. Okay, if it is school hours, how many school buses are crossing. Accordingly he will change it. Why he is making the table, why he is collecting the such data, and after collecting the data he will inform to the higher authority saying that these are the vehicle, this 9 o'clock school time is in KVDGK, so many vehicles are passing in the particular time, so he will change the route of the vehicle. Okay, so it is crowded, he will have the record. Why? Sometime you can find on the main road. Okay, main road say will change the vehicles route. Two-wheeler cannot go so and so time. Lorry cannot permitted after 7:30. Even you can see when you are coming from southeast region, when the vehicle reach to Tambrathukapra, they won't allow you to enter in the city. Like lorry and all cannot permitted after 7:30. Then early morning they can come. Before 7 o'clock they can enter the city. After 7 o'clock those vehicles are coming, not permitted. Reason is he has taken the record, that data he has collected, that more vehicle passing the particular time, it is a traffic jam. So to reduce that one, the government is taking so many steps. Okay, they are constructing over.
Sorry, why is this breaking?
1 minute. Now it is okay?
Now it's okay, sir.
Okay, done. Okay, so next one. Now you see helping hands. Here you can see Sweta Sri, can you read? Helping
Yes,
hands.
sir.
Yes, read.
Helping hands. In the EVS period, the teacher asked the children whether they helped their parents at home. There were different answers. Children named the works in which they helped their parents the most. The teacher collected their answers and made a table.
Very good. The teacher, wait. The teacher collected the data from the students and made the table. Why she made the table? To get the exact number of students helping in different activity at home. For example, help most in the class housework. Going to the market, in the class 47 children told, Madam, we are going to the market to help our parents. Some students washing utensils. Okay, बर्तन को साफ करते हैं हम लोग. Nearly 15 children sit in the class. And washing clothes, हम लोग wash करते हैं dress को. That 3 children sit. Making serving food for the guest. Okay, those who are coming to our house, we are helping to our parents to serve the food item. Nearly 25 children sit. Cleaning the house, how many children sit? 10 children sit. We mop the house, we will clean the house with water, like that 10 children sit. So the total children who sit help their parents is nearly 100 children. the total number of children. She asked 100 children. They set different ways of helping their parents. These are the data collected by the EVS madam. EVS, during the EVS period, she made the tabular column and she recorded all the details said by the children. So afterwards what she made a chart. This chart is called chapati chart. Why it is called chapati chart? Anybody? Can you?
Sir, because it is looking like a
Very good. Very good. It
Sir,
is
the chart paper is looking like a chapati.
chapati. Very good. Very good. Mute the mic. Good. Very good. Exactly. You are correct.
It looks like chapati.
It looks like chapati. So she made, the EVS teacher made the chapati chart for the table. Chapati chart, how she made? You make round shape and she made it into 2 equal parts. First 2, then she made it like this. Making serving food nearly 1/4 of the total number of children. How many children are there? Actually 100. She asked 100 children. 1/4 of 100 is how many children? 1/4 of 100? 25. 25 children said making serving food is, if you see the table, 25 children will come. Going to market, if you see, nearly 47 children said we are going to the market to help our parents. 10 children said cleaning the house. Washing clothes, how many children said? Do you remember the number? 3. Very good. 3 children said. Washing utensils, how many children said? 15 children.
25.
No, 15 I think. 15 plus 10, 25. These 2 together 25, because we made the circle into 4. Suppose 4 equal parts means இது 25, இது 25. Here we made into 3 and 47. 347 if you add 50. If you add this to 50. Okay. So half of the circle is 50. Am I correct? So accordingly she has divided. Now question is, children who help in making or serving food are 1/3 of the total children, or half of the total children, or 1/4 of the total children. A, B, C. Which one is the correct answer? Can you tell me? Helping, serving food. How many children are helping, making and serving food?
25.
25 means 1/4 of the children. Very good. 25 is correct. 25 means 1/4. 100 may 25 is 1/4. 1/4. 100 divide பண்ணீங்கன்னா என்ன வரும்? 50. Half வந்து 50. Half again you divide 25, 25. So 25 children, 1/4. 25 is nothing, 1/4. So A, B, C, 3 options are given. So C is the correct answer. C is the correct answer. Now practice time. You can do this activity when time permits. Ask 10 of your friends about what they like to do most after school. After school hours. Okay, you can ask your friends. Your friends, suppose you have 10 friends, you can ask your friend how many children are your friends are telling that watching TV. Here you see 2 children said watching TV. Playing football, 3 children said after school hours we play or playing football. 2 children said reading test, storybooks. Cycling, only 1 child cycling. Playing indoor game, 1 child said. 1 friend said, we can say. Doing homework after school hours. Now if you add how many children, we asked 3 plus 2, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many children are there in the group? 10 children. 10 children they asked. Okay, somebody said to watching TV after school hours. Somebody said to playing football. Or 2 friends said cycling, reading storybook and cycling. Many activities. Even you are also doing so many activities after the online class. Online class mudinjonna mobile you will keep it somewhere and you will do some other activities at home. Okay. Okay ma. So in that way we can collect the data of your friends. Okay, this activity, this answer will vary from person to person. It is open-ended question. Okay, suppose same answer you won't get. Different answers.
Sir, everyone timing the chat box. Can you see it, please?
Oh, okay. Now, Surya Mani, the last question. Read ma. Surya Mani. Ragini.
I read.
Read.
Lakshmi loves to watch cartoon on television. One day, she thought of counting the numbers of ads during the break.
She found that.
So that 14 advertisements. In those ads, there were children as actors.
Actors. Why do you think that children are used in so many advertisements? Any reason? If you watch the TV, so many advertisements you can find they will use only children. Why?
Sir, I know, sir.
Okay, ma. Chalma. Yes, tell.
Sir, because of like that, if children, if it's like a toy, sir, they use children so that other children can addict to it.
Very good. Most of the children actually during the break. Okay, suppose you are watching one program or any cartoon channel. If you are watching, in between so many advertisement will come for the children, because children like the cartoons. Children are using so many advertisement because cartoons are mostly watched by children only. Small children like cartoon break, in between break or 2 minutes commercial break they will say. So in between so many advertisement will come. Normally we don't like the advertisement, but small children like the advertisement very much. That is what the company actually this very good. Use tally mark to count the number of ads during a short break in a program. एक program का अंदर कितना advertisement आते हैं देख लेना. Suppose you are watching one cinema, TV ला cinema போடுறாங்க. You can find the many number of advertisement in before completing a cinema. Okay, or film or the Rajinikanth film or some films are shown on the TV. How they are getting the money? The channel wala getting the money from the advertisement. Very good. Okay, आपको दिखाने के लिए उसको कुछ पैसा नहीं मिलते हैं. Money they are getting through ad only. Okay, 1 minute ad के लिए और 250, 300, even 1000 rupees they are collecting. Depend upon the channel. Okay, but suppose Sun TV is there. Okay, within 1 minute you can find 3-4 ads.
Sir, because in which ad they are putting in that company, the channel members will get the money.
Yeah, definitely. But channel, suppose
Sir, mother and father also getting addict sometimes for shampoos like that.
They are addict. That is there. That advertisement actually through advertisement the company they develop their own product more. Okay, attracted by the people or by the customer or the children, especially chocolate and all many small children like. By seeing the advertisement they want that particular chocolate when they are going for the purchasing the items. Okay, to attract the people only. Okay,
So very beautifully we are.
the advertisement is they are earning more money. More.
Sir, but they will not even one plus also. They will put full and full editing.
Editing is there of course, but first they will act, first they will act the advertisement. Okay, they will select the correct person for the advertisement. Okay, actors, some actresses. Nowadays small children also involving in so many advertisement. Small children like what we call
Like Hrithik Roshan for Whiter Junior.
very good. Okay, so one homework I want to give you. That okay, only one homework for this exercise. What you have to do, or half an hour you watch the program, any channel, and find out how many advertisements are coming, name of the advertisement, and make your tabular column. Okay, like this you make a column. எப்படி column பண்ணனும்? For example,
tally marks chart.
Yeah, you have to make like this. Now I am drawing on the screen. You see here name of the advertisement. இங்க என்ன எழுதணும்? Ad का name. किसका कौन सा advertisement आ रहा है? For example, soap का advertisement or oil का advertisement or shampoo का advertisement. How many times it is coming within that half an hour? You are watching the program half an hour or 1 hour नु चुको. 1 hour you are watching the program, any cartoon program. How many times this soap advertisement is coming, or shampoo is coming, or any eatable items, chocolate. Okay, that you write the tabular column 1, 2, 3, and you make a you make your tally mark. You make a tally mark in your notebook. This tally marks the total number of advertisement, total number of times, number of times it appear, number of times इसका total इधर लिखना है. Lastly total number of advertisement पूरा मिलाकर कितना.
You should tell in the code.
You just write in your notebook. आपका notebook में लिखना है. I want this exercise is to be completed by you and in your notebook only. Okay, you have to collect the date.
We should send in the WhatsApp.
Teach again, I can't understand.
Once again I am telling you, you watch any program in from the TV, any channel, okay, and find out how many advertisements are coming, name of the advertisement, okay, name of the advertisement इंगे पोड़नो, इंगे दा first column name of the advertisement, किसका बारे में वो advertisement है, name, okay, how many times it is coming, within that half an hour or 1 hour, 1 hour you time எடுத்துக்கோ, watch the TV, how many times in the same advertisement is coming, TV का नाम,
We could watch the program and see how many advertisements.
yeah, advertisement only, program, when you watch one program, in between that, for example, one small story you are watching in the TV, or any cartoon story you are watching, okay, within that, you will get so many advertisements. You will find so many advertisements on the channel, on the TV. Write the advertisement name. How many times it is coming? Okay? You can find it many times.
They will use so much of small ads.
Which one?
You can see.
You can find many number of times in the same advertisement may be repeated. You watch properly, you will get the advertisement will be repeated many times. So many times it will be repeated. Okay, that is the activity. This activity
If
I am giving
one
you.
soap comes, I should write
This
soap, and then other product of soap comes, I can put the soap tally mark.
Yeah. You have to put the tally mark. Okay, other product of the same soap you can write the tally mark. Whether you are able to draw the tally mark and able to count and write, that is actually data collection. You are collecting the data. Somebody sharing the video, you know, Rubisha, some advertisement is sharing. Within that you see shampoo advertisement is coming, dandruff. Okay, like that you write the name of the product name एलिदिको. How many times it is repeating within that 1 hour? ये घंटा का अंदर कितना बार repeat हो रहा है? Okay, sometimes it may be repeated 3 times, 4 times, 5 times. Same advertisement won't come many times. Okay.
Sir,
yes.
I'm not interested in watching TV, but I will do it.
For this activity के लिए you have to watch the TV. Okay. Now घर में क्या करते हैं तुम लोग? थोड़ा सा TV से देखना है ना? हमेशा ऑनलाइन अटेंड करने में से ब्रेन ब्रेक हो जाएगा. Okay, so you can watch, enjoy. Okay, or 1 hour watching TV is nothing is wrong. You can watch cartoon TV. Not all the days.
Full 1 hour or half an hour, sir?
1 hour you sit in front of the TV and watch the program and make the table. It is for studying purpose. Okay, you should understand the various advertisement ad. Okay, you can many advertisements are there.
Sir? Yes, sir. We want to send it on Google Classroom.
Yeah, you can send to Google Classroom by watching and counting. You can do it. Okay. Shall we wind up? Time up, I think. I know.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Kadapa. Okay.
Bye,
Study 1 hour you allot for this. During the Pongal you can watch the TV program. Okay. Any TV program 1 hour you watch and make the note. Tabular column you make in your notebook. आपका notebook में column बनाओ, tally mark बनाओ, number of advertisement repeated, कितना बार repeat हो रहा है. That and also you have to make the advertisement. Then only you can understand the concept. Okay. Afterwards you can tell about the ad. Ad is repeating many times. The ad is about the children only. Most of the advertisements are okay based on. Okay, we will see you.